For us, smart factories of the future produce in an intelligently networked and sustainable way. We believe that sustainability in production can be accomplished by following our 3 guiding rationales. First, we find and leverage the 7 waste elimination principles to create your lean factory. Second, we find optimization potential within your existing processes and implement new solutions for value creation through digital transformation. And third, we unveil green initiatives through integrated life cycle assessments and benchmarking of each value creation step. We understand digitalization as the key enabler to facilitate green, lean, and digital-driven change, which is immediately captured by many initiatives in our clients' future smart factory, translating directly into economic benefits and measurable return on unsustainable investment for the client. The full leverage of sustainability initiatives in operation only works if you think end-to-end in your supply chain. Bring your sustainability initiatives to the next level.